Hi everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage house design and decorating ideas. Let's take a look. A vintage hutch is a freestanding piece of furniture that combines storage and display. It typically has a lower cabinet with drawers or cupboards and an upper section with open shelves or glass front doors. Vintage hutches are prized for their timeless craftsmanship, charming details, and aged character. Common features include solid wood construction, often made from oak, pine, maple, or walnut. Distressed or naturally aged finishes that give the piece warmth and character. Glass doors or open shelves for displaying china, glassware, books, or decorative items. Lower cabinets and drawers for storing table linens, dishes, or everyday essentials. Decorative details such as curved rim, bedboard backs, turned legs, or antique style hardware. A vintage hutch can be used in many rooms. Dining room display fine china, serving dishes, and crystal. Kitchen store dishes, cookbooks, baskets, and pantry items. Living room showcase books and collectibles. Entryway organize baskets, seasonal decor, and everyday essentials. Vintage hutches pair beautifully with farmhouse, cottage, subject, rustic, and traditional interiors. You can decorate them with stacked white dishes, oven baskets, ceramic pitchers, vintage clocks, greenery, lace runners, and antique accessories to create a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. Here are some charming decorating tips for a vintage hut. Layer white dishes by stacking plates, bowls, and mugs to create a timeless farmhouse look. Add natural elements such as eucalyptus, ivy, olive branches, or seasonal flowers in ceramic pitchers or glass jars. Mix old and new by combining antique pieces with modern everyday items for a collected lived-in feel. Use oven baskets on the lower shelves to hide clutter while adding texture and warmth. Display vintage treasures like animal ware, old teapots, clocks, crocks, or wooden cutting boards. Vary the height of objects using cake stands, stacked books, or wooden boxes to create visual interest. Leave some empty space so the shelves don't feel overcrowded, and each piece can stand out. Choose a soft color palette with cream, white, shell green, dusty blue, or warm beige for a calm courtesan-inspired look. Hang a small wreath or garland over the hutch or drape it across the top for seasonal charm. Add warm lighting with a small battery-operated lamp or LED fairy lights inside the hutch to create a cozy evening glow. Lay in artwork instead of hanging it. Small vintage frames, botanical prints, or landscape paintings placed against the back of the hutch add depth. Display pottery and stoneware. Mix ceramic bowls, pitchers, and vases in different shapes for a handcrafted, collected look. Incorporate natural wood, wooden cutting boards, rolling pins, or breadboards. Add warmth and rustic charm. Fold vintage linens. Stack embroidered tea towels, lace runners, or linen napkins neatly on a shelf. Add a few antique books. Place them horizontally and top them with a small candle, vase, or decorative object. Mix materials. Combine glass, wood, ceramic, wicker, and metal to create texture and visual interest. Decorate seasonally. Refresh the hutch with spring flowers, summer greenery, autumn pumpkins, or winter pine branches while keeping the main display consistent. Use glass jars. Fill clear jars with dried flowers, coffee beans, wooden utensils, or baking ingredients for both beauty and function. Include handcrafted accents, crochet dowels, handmade baskets, or knitted runners. Add a warm cottage feel that complements vintage furniture. Style in odd numbers. Group items in sets of 3 or 5 and vary their heights to create a balanced, natural arrangements. Showcase a collection. Display a collection of ironstone dishes, vintage tea cups, milk glass, or pottery together for a cohesive look. Mix open and closed storage. Keep decorative items on open shelves and store less attractive everyday items inside the lower cabinets. Use decorative risers. Wooden boxes or cake stands can elevate smaller pitches and create different display levels. Include oven textures. Small wicker trays, baskets, or rattan accents add warmth and complement vintage wood. Decorate the top of the hutch. Place a vintage clock, lantern, crock, or a pair of matching baskets on top, leaving enough empty space to avoid a cluttered appearance. Repeat similar finishes. Eco brass, copper, or black iron accents throughout the display to create visual unity. Rotate displays occasionally. Rearranging a few accessories every season keeps your hutch feeling fresh without needing to buy new decor. Add a scented element. Display dried lavender, eucalyptus, or a lightly scented candle to make the space feel even more inviting. Balance both sides. You don't need perfect symmetry, but try to distribute the visual weight evenly across the shelves for a pleasing arrangement. Mix functional and decorative items. Display everyday dishes alongside vintage pitchers, teapots, and small heirlooms. Use fresh or dried flowers. Place a bouquet of wildflowers, lavender, or baby's breath in a vintage vase or enamel pitcher. Add a fabric accent. Drape a lace runner or linen cloth across on shelf to soften the display. Create a small decorative vignettes. Group a candle, a small plant, and a stack of books together for a charming arrangement. Display handmade pieces, crochet dowels, hand-woven baskets, or handmade pottery add warmth and personality. Use vintage labels or signs. A small wooden sign or antique label can add nostalgic charm without overwhelming the display. Thanks for watching the video.